Hey everybody, welcome to Bass Fishing Ed. Doing a little fishing at Lake Otay in San Diego. Let me show you my setup before you get going with the video. In this video, I'll be showing you'll be seeing me fish a drop shot on a bait caster. This is a medium heavy power rod. I'm using a loose reel, 15-pound sunline, 14-pound sunline, let me correct myself. To me, I learned during the fishing that the key was I was using a rebarb hook because that seemed to allow me to put a little more pressure on the fish when I hammered them. And of course I was using a Roboworm Margarita M.M.III, so I don't mess the word up. All right, please enjoy. If you're not subscribed, please take this chance to subscribe, like this thing, and leave me a comment.
Kind of like what you do at the Delta all day, fishing the tullies?
I actually prefer riprap.
Do you?
Yeah. You get hung more, but fish.
Fish?
Yeah. Yeah. I can't tell. Oh, he broke loose. Oh, you know, he got off on me.
Oh no.
That's all right. At least I know what it feels like.
Get this. Yeah, we're not a little shallow where I can step the car full to keep it.
I don't know. I got it.
Oh, he'll keep. Nice. 13 inches, he said.
All you gotta do is be 13, dude.
Did you feel it or did it?
Oh, I felt it.
It might.
Hey, it don't matter. I got a fish.
Good.
Come on, dude. No. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Hey, half short. All right, dude.
The confidence builder though. That one felt kind of real for a second.
Felt like you may have actually got a real one, huh? Yeah, little one though. Yeah. What's he look like? I wouldn't even use it for a tractor. But it gets to get pretty good mileage, so it's hard to not take it. It's a 2000. Yeah.
That one will keep that. That one. Oh, that's nice fish. Nice fish. That's the real deal there.
I actually broke through, man.
That's the real deal. You broke through in a big way.
I broke through, brother.
Oh, good job.
We're gonna have to cut him.
Yeah. Good spotlight. Keep us on this hot.
All right, I won't go home empty.
Nice fish.
I'm not gonna go home hungry. I got to retie, bro.
You got thawing balls?
No. Unless you got some extra ones.
I got 2 extra ones.
Okay.
But we know we're not going to call that one, so.
Yeah. Oh.
Save them for small fish.
And I actually got the worm out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still need to retie?
No, I should be good. Ah. Come on.
That's nice.
Right. fish.
Good.
Feels like it.
Oh yeah. Man, Ed.
Whoa, that was a mistake.
Good night.
That was a mistake, and it worked out for us.
Good fish, bud.
This one's pretty healthy.
That's a good one. We'll take that one. Now you have more weight.
There you go, my second one. I'll let him wear some. Here it goes.
Oh, don't stab at it. That's on fuego. A good one, buddy.
Another one, huh?
3 good ones.
We got him.
That's 3 good. I thought you were hung in a tully.
No, I was.
He popped loose.
No, he was on the other side of it. Well, yeah. Don't fall in. Keep down. Keep him down there.
He'll keep. There you go, Eddie. Number 4.
Yeah, keep him down there.
Good job.
Wow!
Wow, that's
16!
16. Holy smoke. One more of those and we're going to win this thing.
I had a pretty good day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know. Oh,
I think so. We could upgrade that one. You want to put a ball on that one?
Let's see if he'll make 13, yeah. Have any comments? Leave them in the comment box. Please like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you later. Bye.